Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Yamaha RMAX 1000 4-seat in the Limited. We have just installed the RMAX 1000 front brush guard on here. Wanted to do a walk around and tell you a little bit about the brush guard. Not only does it look awesome, it does provide a lot of extra coverage for the front end of the machine. It is 1.5 inch tubing that's E-coated and powder coated to keep it durable. It does match the rest of the tubing on the RMAX 1000. Part number B4JF84L0V000. MSRP $299.99. So how does it install and what's the installation process? What does it look like? So the install is a little bit difficult on this, you guys. You do need to do some trimming of the plastics. So as you're familiar with the RMAX 1000, it does have a little loop that comes up on here where the plastic molds up. You do need to cut that off. And in order to get the bumper mounted up, you do need to loosen up a lot of bolts on the front end to tip it out of the way with the bumper and the winch. Installation, at least an hour. Definitely not difficult, but time consuming. Anybody can do it. Very nice looking, very good quality product from Yamaha for sure. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. You can see you've got nice clearance along the front. It's not going to rub anywhere. It's not going to vibrate. Give you that sweet custom look. Very nice. Have a great day, everybody.